Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on how to update your BIOS. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Supermicro 8-node Ryzen MicroCloud. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, we'll top in. We're going to show you how to update the BIOS for your Ryzen MicroCloud server, or EPYC 4004, 4005 technically. So what we're going to do in this video, first off, we're going to show you how to download the BIOS update. Then we're going to show you how to log into your BMC. Then we're going to show you how to upload that update. And then we're going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to run it. So let's just go ahead and get into all the fun stuff.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to update your BIOS for your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server. What you'll need is an active internet connection for your server, and you can do this by connecting your blade to the switch via Cat5 cable. You will also need a laptop or desktop. Let's get started. So first, we will set up our DHCP IP address. Boot up your server, and during post, press the delete key to enter setup. Once you're in setup, using the arrow keys, navigate to the BMC tab. Then scroll down to BMC Network Configuration and press enter. Then, on this page, where it says Update BMC Configuration, go ahead and press enter. And switch from No to Yes. And then press enter. Next, scroll down to Configuration Address Source and press enter. Then go ahead and scroll down to DHCP and press enter. You have an IP address that will be assigned to your server, and you will need to write it down and save it for later. You will need this IP address to be able to update the BIOS. Now I will show you how to download the BIOS file. Go into Google and simply search AS-3015MR-H8TNR BIOS and select the web page to the Supermicro website. Once you have the web page loaded, go ahead and navigate to Resources and Downloads. You will see the rectangle area that says BIOS Downloads. Go ahead and click Download. This will take you to the Download Center where we can download our update files. As you might have seen, this isn't just for updating your BIOS, but also the BMC and the firmware. This is a big highlight for Supermicro systems, getting users an easy and seamless way to updating everything on the server. So we will click Download, and you'll be prompted to either sign in or continue as guest. For the purpose of this video, we will continue as guest and begin downloading the BIOS, BMC, and firmware update bundle. Once the file is downloaded, we will go into our File Explorer and locate the file in Downloads or wherever you set the download location to. Go ahead and right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Choose where you would like to extract the file to, and once it has been extracted, open up the file and locate the BIOS zip file. Go ahead and do the same thing, right-clicking and selecting Extract All, then choosing where you would like the file to extract to, and then press Extract. Go ahead and open that extracted BIOS file, and you will see the BIOS file is in the folder. You will need this in the next step. Alright, so now we're back in our browser. Earlier we wrote that IP address that we had configured, and now we will simply enter it into the address bar, and it will take us to the BMC login page. Now in order to log in for the first time, you will be using Supermicro's default username and password. The username is always the same, which is admin in all caps. However, the password is different for every server. So take a look at the service tag that you can pull out and you will find the password, and it is unique for every single node on the enclosure. So use that password to log in. Once you're into the BMC, you will see here it says that the BIOS is version 1.3 and we want to update the BIOS to 1.4. So navigate to Maintenance on the left side of the screen, then select Firmware Management. Select the BIOS option and click Next. Scroll down to Step 2, select File, and then click Select File. Navigate to the extracted BIOS file from earlier and select it, then click Open. Then click Upload, and this will start the BIOS update. Now this may take some time to update, but once it finishes, a message will pop up saying that the update has been completed, and for the update to be applied, you will need to reboot the system. So go ahead and select Reboot. Once the server reboots, go ahead and log out and then log back in using the default username and password. And once you load in, you will see that the BIOS firmware version has been updated from the previous version to the new version. Congratulations, you successfully updated the BIOS for your Supermicro AS-3015MR-H8TNR MicroCloud server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom-built Supermicro, Gigabyte, Asus, ASRock, Dell, HPE, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways guys, thanks for stopping by.